Good morning, everyone. We got some showers this morning. I know we had some nice downpours last night. As I was heading home, I saw some nice downpours across the area. Some nice rain showers across the Long Island and in the Atlantic as well, but nothing to worry about just yet. But if we look, folks, at the NAM model, the North American model, you can see by 21Z, which is about your rush hour commute. You can see there's some storms right here. You see developing in eastern Pennsylvania. And then as that moves, you see some nice isolated thunderstorms across western Jersey into near New York City. And then by evening, by the time 7, 8 o'clock rolls around, you can see these thunderstorms hit the New York City metropolitan area. They could, like you see here, it could be a nice downpour. But with this cloud layer that we're having right now, as you can see on the visible satellite, right here, look at all these clouds we have in our older area right now. This is gonna impact us with the heating and the development of thunderstorms as well. Like, see, there is some breaks in the action around State College, Pennsylvania, and into Jamestown, New York. So we could see some. This is where the main area of thunderstorms probably start developing around this time, around 12, 1 o'clock. You see some thunderstorms developing, and then slowly move across east as we may or may not break into this marine layer, unlike yesterday, because as I kind of predicted this yesterday on my Facebook when the cloud layer was over the area, and we had temperatures in the states in the 60s throughout the day, and you go into western Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, temperatures there were in the mid to upper 70s. I mean, that's a recipe for thunderstorm action on a good day. You had all that cape, that heating, along with the lifted index, which gave us that chance yesterday for thunderstorms in western Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania. So you see, right now there is no Cape Orris or anything really, because they have all this cloud layers all across the state of New Jersey. See, look at the Cape. That is Cape, right? Yeah. This Cape. Let's look at the index. See, not too much left there. So there's not really too much developing yet. You got something across the lakes here, but really nothing too much to worry about just yet. So forecast for today, I say chance of isolated thunderstorms in the evening hours today, but I'm suggesting there's really nothing to worry about per se. I mean, I can see the chance of some isolated action, but I'm not too confident today. GFS and Dan both have 72. I'm gonna go a little lower. It's 63 now, 11 a.m. And they both say there's gonna be some breaks around 21Z, so that may impact our high temperatures for today. But if that does not break, yeah, I can see temperatures sticking around upper 60s to near 70 for the region. And as we go into your day tomorrow, we get to see highs. Look at the difference in highs, 75, 71. You know why? The NAM has all cloud cover, overcast. Sorry, let's show that again. That's all overcast clouds right here. And then you look at the GFS, it's broken to scatter, which means there's some more heating involved. But if this marine layer doesn't break like it has been the last 2-3 days, then I would go with the NAM for sure. But we'll go stick in the low 70s for tomorrow. And then finally, yes folks, finally, by your Sunday into Monday, Memorial Day weekend will be nice for your Sunday. Like right here, here you go, 80, 83 for your Memorial Day week. So the second half of your Memorial Day week will be nice. So those days you can head out to the beach, because I think it'll be nice and beautiful those 2 days. Even though it's a slight chance of shower Sunday, I mean, I'm not really buying it too much. So the next chance I've seen on the let me show you guys the GFS model. It's very interesting for your Tuesday time frame. Let's see if I find it for you guys. Right there. Tuesday night to Wednesday, see a low pressure formed, gives us a nice batch of rain. I mean, look at that nice batch of rain. I mean, there could be some isolated, I think there could be some isolated thunderstorms with that as well. I think there will be some heating thunder that will last from the previous 2 days, which will allow for that chance of thunderstorms to happen. Let's look at outside Twister data, because it's all this. It's a great site for thunderstorms if you guys love thunderstorms. If you guys love meteorology and thunderstorms, it's a great site to use to track any potential thunderstorms in the longer range, even shorter range as well. Let's go to 114. Let's see, instability, cape. Yeah, see, there you go. And that's a nice cape. We got some lift. We got lift. Yeah, we got some we got some lift, folks. Let's see if we have some shear. If we have shear, then that's gonna mean big problems for us. Yeah, I mean it's scattered shear. I mean 30, 40 knot shear. I mean this kid has some potential. This has some merit in the long range. So keep an eye out for this. This could be our next big thunderstorm threat. So again, let's recap. See, I know it's a long video, sorry guys. But if you want to go to the end of the video, let's see what the forecast says. We got isolated thunderstorms tonight. Highs in upper 60s, low 70s. Tomorrow, I'm going to say mostly cloudy skies. I mean, there could be a slight chance of shit, but I'm not really into the big, I'm not in big to scatter tomorrow. I think it's going to be really nothing too much to worry about. Highs will remain probably in the low 70s tomorrow. And then Sunday, we finally get a break of sun. We finally get the warmth, the heat come. 80s will come for Sunday, Monday, and then into Tuesday as well. So enjoy the second half. That's a sure. If you want to go to the beach, I know a lot of people want to go to the beach this weekend. Go in the second half of the week. That's gonna be your best chance to go to the beach. Alright, everybody. I am your meteorologist now, Renato Rodriguez. Have a great day.